How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today, which is a 2020 Dodge Charger SRT Scatpack. And so we're gonna go ahead and take this out on the Autobahn. We're not gonna do an acceleration run today because we don't have too much time with the plates, but I just wanted to go ahead, drive it, give you guys a little POV and tell you guys what I think of this vehicle because it is amazing. So let's just go ahead and start it up. Alright, so my impressions of the Charger Scatpack. This thing is absolutely insane. I really love this thing. I can't imagine what it would be like to drive the Hellcat with even more horsepower. But this right here is just fine. It's super quick, even on the Autobahn, up to 200, no problem whatsoever. I had it up to 250 earlier. Something's wrong with my SD card here on this camera. Just go ahead and shut that off. But I had it up to 250 kilometers earlier, and got there very easy without a problem at all. Just really in love with this thing, man. It's super heavy, it feels like a boat, but it actually handles quite fine. And everything, like I said in my Lancia Thema or Chrysler 300 video, everything just feels super solid, and this one just feels sporty as well. It is heavy, of course, you can't deny that, so you shouldn't, you know, exaggerate around corners, but it's still insanely fast. And you can take it around some corners without it, you know, leaning too much. So definitely a nice vehicle. This goes over any AMG I've driven so far, any BMW M model. I know a lot of people are going to hate me in the comments. This is just more fun for some reason. It does have an aftermarket exhaust, so that does add to the thrill a bit. I can roll down the windows there in the rear just a little bit and give you guys a little pop real quick. So yeah, that does add to the thrill, but yeah, I'd take this over any of those, especially living here in Germany. This thing is just insane. Of course, those cars, you know, the AMGs, the M models, and the RS versions of Audis are great as well, and probably a lot of them are faster than this in a straight line and even around corners. This is just a real joy. So if you ever get the chance to drive one of these, take that chance, drive it, and take my word for it, this thing is insane. So be sure to catch me in the next video of Catching Cars, and see you guys there. Leave a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe.